In this video, you're going to learn about 4 different ways to finance your higher education, such as loans, grants and scholarships, and savings. You'll learn about the specifics in each one and the difference between subsidized and unsubsidized loans, FAFSA, and the Federal Work-Study Program. These are 3 critical questions you want to ask yourself when thinking about financing your higher education. What higher education path is the right match for my goals, personality, and budget? Is it a 4-year degree, a 2-year degree, a certificate, or specialized training? How can I avoid borrowing more money than I need to reasonably afford to pay back over time? And where can I get the money to pay for my higher education? These are 3 main ways that you can finance your higher education: grants, scholarships, loans, or savings from you and your family. Grants and scholarships are the biggest things that students use to pay for college. It's free money that you don't have to pay back. There are thousands of scholarships available, and there are only a limited amount of federal grants. Scholarships and grants are based off financial need, merit-based, and etc. Research as many scholarships and grants as possible. Look online, ask your school counselor, look in the library, but start early. Just like scholarships, students are also offered loans, but they're not like scholarships. You have to pay back the money with interest that's added onto the loan. But with federal student loans, these are offered directly to the students by the government and are based by financial need. But some loans offer lower interest rates and fixed interest rates over time. Some other loans are offered regardless of need. But when applying for federal student loans using FAFSA, these loans fall into 2 main categories: subsidized and unsubsidized loans. With subsidized loans, the federal government will cover the interest accumulated while you're in school, but after you graduate, you're responsible for paying interest on the loan. But you must demonstrate financial need in order to receive this loan. With unsubsidized loans, everyone is available to use these loans, but you're responsible for paying all the interest that accumulates on this loan. And with both loans, you aren't expected to make payments while you're in school. You have a 6-month grace period after graduation to start making payments. And since both loans have a fixed interest rate, that means that the interest rate won't change. Many students are familiar with FAFSA. This is what you need to fill out before applying to colleges. This will help determine your eligibility for financial aid. FAFSA stands for Free Application for Federal Student Aid. If for any questions, go to www.fafsa.ed.gov. If you're still looking for different ways to cover the cost of college, you can get a private loan. And this is when scholarship, savings, or financial aid just isn't enough. These private loans are financed by lenders such as banks, credit unions, or the school that you want to attend to. Just like everything else, there are pros and cons of having a private loan. The pros: education costs are covered and it's an easy application process. But the cons of having a private loan are there are higher interest rates, and those interest rates could change. While in college, you might be rewarded to work in the Federal Work-Study Program. This is for students that need financial assistance are rewarded to work part-time while in college. Just because you're awarded this opportunity doesn't guarantee you a job, and it doesn't guarantee you a job from year to year. You can work part-time or full-time. These opportunities are available for undergrads, graduate students, or professional students with financial needs. Jobs can be on or off campus, and work can be related to your course of study. Minimum wage depends on what work and skills that are required, and undergrad students are paid by the hour, and graduate or professional students are paid by the hour or salary. You can't work as many hours as you want because the amount that's earned can't exceed your federal work-study amount. These are 5 questions you want to ask yourself before you start borrowing money. Which school will give you the most amount of money in terms of education and the cost? Is there a way to earn money while still in school without hurting your focus? Have you talked to your counselor for other ways to reduce the cost, and how can you save money on textbooks and other expenses? Have you looked at the average salary for your desired career, and will the salary be able to cover the amount that you're borrowing from the school? And have you looked at other possible grants, scholarships, and work-study options? I hope this video gave you more ways to finance your higher education, whether you're getting a loan, grants or scholarships, or savings. Thanks for watching. Bye!